Welcome to this how-to video on setting a client up to receive auto emails. The goal of this video is to train you how to add a client in Lync and set that client up to receive automatic emails based on their search criteria. Since your client will only receive automatic emails on future search matches, you will also be trained on how to send your clients those listings that are currently available. Setting your client up to receive auto emails is a great time saver because it allows you to set up search criteria for your client, and from that search criteria, your client will receive automatic emails with any new listings that meet those search criteria. Please keep in mind that adding a client and setting a client up to receive auto emails requires a professional Lync subscription. To upgrade, please contact Lync Client Services. It only takes a minute. Step 1. From the home page, either click on the My Clients tab or under the My Clients tab, click Manage My Clients. This takes you to the My Clients page. Step 2. Once on the My Clients page, click the New Client button at the top of the page. This opens the Edit Client dialog. Step 3. Once the Edit Client dialog is open, enter the contact information for your client. Only the first name, last name, and email fields are required, but you can enter as much information as you like. For this demonstration, we will keep it simple and enter a first name of John, a last name of Adams, and an email of johnadams@lyncboston.com. Step 4. After you've entered the necessary contact information for your client, click the Save button to save that client. This returns you to the My Clients page where you can see your client has been successfully added. Step 5. Click on the name of the client you would like to set up to receive automatic emails. This takes you to the Client Details page for that client. For this demonstration, we will click on the name John Adams. Step 6. Once on the Client Details page, click the Saved Searches tab toward the middle of the page. This will allow you to create a new saved search for your client and view any saved searches currently associated with this client. Step 7. Once the Saved Searches tab opens, click the Add New Search button. This takes you to the Search Link page. Step 8. Once on the Search Link page, enter the search criteria that you would like to associate with your client. For this demonstration, we will set up a saved search in Fenway for all condos and co-ops over $400,000. Step 9. When you're finished entering the search criteria, click the Save Search button to save the search. This opens the Save Search dialog. Step 10. When the Save Search dialog opens, enter the appropriate information for this saved search. In the search name field, enter the name you would like to give this search. The name of the client you want to associate this search with should already be selected in the Associate Search With drop-down box. If not, select your client's name. If you want your client to receive auto emails of future search matches, check the corresponding option. If you want your client to receive auto emails of future open houses, check that corresponding option. For this demonstration, we will name the search John Adams Fenway. Since John Adams is already selected in the Associate Search With field and the Auto Email Future Search Matches checkbox is already checked, we don't need to make any additional changes. Step 11. Once you've entered the Save Search information, click the Save button to save the search and return to the Search Link page. At this point, your client is now set up to receive any future listings that meet their search criteria. However, because there could potentially be hundreds of currently available listings that meet their search criteria, your client will not automatically receive an email with what listings are currently available. Because of this, you must manually email your clients any listings that you think would be appropriate for them. Step 12. After you've saved the search and have returned to the Search Link page, click the Search button to perform the search. This takes you to the Search Results page. Step 13. Once on the search results page, select the listings you would like to send to your client by clicking the checkboxes next to those listings. For this demonstration, since only 6 active listings were returned, we will select all of the listings by clicking the topmost checkbox next to the column headings. Step 14. After you've selected the listings you would like to email to your client, click the Email button on the toolbar. This opens the Email Listing dialog. Step 15. Once the email listing dialog is open, enter the necessary information. First, either enter the email address of your client or click the Address Book Radio option and select your client's name from the drop-down list. Next, enter a subject and a message for the email. For this demonstration, we will select John Adams from the address book. We will then enter a subject line of Listings for You. Finally, we will enter a message saying, John, I've set you up to receive auto emails from Lync based on your search criteria. Here's what's currently available. Sam. Step 16. After you've entered the necessary email information, click the Send button to send the email. That concludes this how-to video on setting a client up to receive auto emails.